Meaning of food chain.
Food chain.
Food chain.
Food chain.
Food chain. The term food chain describes how energy and nutrients move through an ecosystem, starting with producers such as plants and ending with top predators. Each level of the food chain is dependent on the level below it for energy. As organisms consume each other, energy and nutrients are transferred from one organism to another. At the top of the food chain are apex predators, who have no natural predators and play a crucial role in regulating the populations of other organisms. Disruptions to the food chain can have significant impacts on ecosystems.